Everyone, it's Grayson here from cherrycollectables.com.au. We love NFL. Hopefully you do too. We've got plenty of NFL, but we don't stock a huge amount. We probably stock as much as anyone else in Australia, but we would really like to bring in more NFL, which means we need more customers. So if you're watching this and you're in Oz, hit us up. We'll bring your boxes in. You can probably get them cheaper off us than what you can get them imported for yourself, especially if we start getting a few customers. And it's really good. I mean, the patches in this stuff are really sick. If you're an NBA person who's sort of considered it, try it. It's the Ask Novice. The patches are awesome. Lots of one-on-one stuff too. This is 09 Gridiron gear. 3 hits a box, so we're looking for low-numbered gems or anything with Emmett Smith on it. James Casey rookie, decoy, nothing in the first pack. NFL season's not far away, of course. Brett Favre. Decoy, Randy Moss. Got a one of 10 or 1 of 5 of Colt McCoy the other day for one of our main NFL customers. Looks like we've got a nice card in this one, nice hit. And it is, oh, nice triple patch of Javon Ringer. I don't know Javon Ringer. Numbered 9 of 25. That's nice. Drafted round 5. So, not one of the top draft picks, but nice card. I find that the NFL seems to throw out a lot nicer cards in their sort of mid-range products than the NBA do. Kurt Warner, Johnny Knox rookie. Matt Hasselbeck, sorry. Romo, not to be confused with his gay brother. Mr. Flacco. That isn't Tony Romo's gay brother. That's just another card entirely. Primarily, we'd like to get enough NFL customers so that we could do case breaks of new products. Got a hit in this packet, and it is Rivals, Peyton Manning, Tom Brady. Nice. Dual jersey, numbered 250, 130 of 250. That's a bit like a LeBron Jordan in the NBA, sorry. Peyton being the main man, and Tom Brady being a ridiculously good-looking gentleman like myself. It's Renee that you can hear laughing in the background. Decoy.
Is there someone that goes out with Giselle?
Giselle goes out with Tom Brady, I think, or she did at least.
Don't they have a kid now?
She probably still goes out with him then. We've got Quinn Johnson rookie. This isn't one of the most popular NFL products, but there's nothing wrong with it. The new Donruss Elite has come out, and that looks really good. The Donruss Prestige is good. Jason Witten, he goes good. I'm a Cowboys fan, personally. Also, check out NFL Down Under, a website who we've switched banners with, and it's a really nice website. Lots of NFL news. Bookmark it for the upcoming season. That was an unpaid advertisement. Still should have one hit remaining in the box. Eli Manning. Decoy. Chris Johnson. He goes good. Oh, sorry, that's Calvin Johnson. My mistake. I don't know if Calvin Johnson's any good. Chris is a gun. Rookie Darcel McBath. It's actually quite a bit more value as well in the NFL product because there's a lot more who the hell is he players. The draft's very deep. Every second person in America gets drafted each year. There's actually, they hold their value a bit. Michael Crabtree, rookie, numbered to 250. He was one of the top draft picks last year, but he's had a pretty average season, I thought. Put that in our hit pile. 4 packs to go. Ray Rice. Kenny Britt, numbered to 250. And that looks like a patch. I'll leave that one to the end. It'd be nice if we get 2 patches in the one box. Adrian Peterson, he's the LeBron James on the way through. Peyton Manning's a little bit more known, but Adrian Peterson is an absolute machine. And if you get an insert with Peterson on it, you're very happy. Insert smile here. Deshaun Jackson, numbered to 100. And if you're interested in just trying an NFL product, let us know, and we'll sort of point you in the right direction so that hopefully your first experience is a good experience. Nate Davis, Next Generation, unnumbered, and the last pack, which is either a patch or a thick jersey, is nice rookie gridiron gem of Jason Smith. Bit of ball and a patch there, and it's numbered 27 of 50, and he was a round 1 draft, so interesting to see how he went last season. I don't remember seeing a lot of Jason Smith. I think he actually played quite well for a couple of weeks. I think he might have even got a nomination for Rookie of the Week, but there you have it. That's Donruss Gridiron Gear 2009 from cherrycollectables.com.au. If you're interested in NFL at all, hit us up. Check out the website. Catch you soon. Bye.